Hello everyone, so in this tutorial I will be showing you how to install the numpy, scipy and Biopython packages for Python. So first you need to download these many things, then only it can be possible for you to run numpy, scipy and Biopython. So let's begin with our process. So I have already downloaded this from a website, and I have given the links in the description so that you can directly go through this and go through this website and download. So first install the Python 2.7.9 version. Yes, this should be installed for all users. Okay, it's installing. So once after install, you need to install VC plus VC for Python. Yes, it's showing that Python has been installed. Yes, you click on finish. Now install a VC for Python. Yes, accept this terms and condition, install. It will take a while because this contains around 380 MB files. That's why. So once after completion of this installation, you can proceed with installing the packages. So yes, this package VC for Python is installed. Now we move on to the CMD. Right click on the CMD and run as an administrator. So yes, so now press CD twice. Okay, now just locate the Python folder which is usually you can see in the C Python 27, then scripts. Yes, now what you need to do is using pip we will install Python. Yes, pip, then first we should install a numpy, then only the scipy will work. So just copy the location of this, because we need to mention the source from where it is downloading. Yes, then slash, then this name we need to copy, .wh, yeah, it should be real file, so hit enter. Yes, it's unpacking. That means the numpy is now installing, so it will take a while because yes, it's installed. Okay, now we will install a scipy. If install d, then Python slash the scipy folder, I mean scipy file name. Yes, yes, even this is now unpacking and will get installed. So once after this, what remaining is Biopython has to be installed. Even this can be installed in the same way how I did it for scipy and numpy. Actually this scipy is of around 85 MB, that's why it is taking some time to get installed. Yes, now it's installed. So now the remaining thing is Biopython. Yes, we will just type the like above. Okay, hit enter. Yes, this is unpacking. Yes, it, yes, it's installed. Now we have to check whether our install packages will work or not. For that, you have to just type cd, then it will move on to the Python folder. So after this, we have to write Python, which will gives the basic information of what sort of Python version you have installed. So once after this, here you have to write import. um, yes, it's numpy. Yes, it's working, because else it will give some error, and we will check with our second package. It's scipy. Okay, even this is working fine, and now it's Python. So import bio you should write, because it cannot be a by Python. Okay, hit enter. Yes, everything is working fine now. Thank you for watching my video.